Okay, guys, Mr. Piggy is going to show you my newest toy that I just got from a local hardware store. Ta-da! See this? You know how I like to go to the mangroves to go fishing because it's really isolated places that I don't have to compete with anybody. Just me and my partner, we've been doing it for years. And my arm got all scarred up. Look at all those scars here from breaking off the kiabi by hand. But I bought this at a local hardware store for only $28.99. Let me show you what it looks like here. See, it's like a giant switchblade, but it's portable. I can put that into my backpack. So let's see now. Right here is a switch. See, push that down. It's like a giant switchblade, but it's saw blade, so I can go out and reach across. I can clear out all the mangroves. All the mangroves are all around me is thick for like about 10 to 15 feet. But with this puppy here, looks like double sawtooth blade, so I can go to it pretty easy. When I'm done, press down on that. That's it. So this could be my new tool for clearing out passages in the places I like to go to. Thank you.